Hello, my good fans and viewers out there. I still remain Dr. D.I. Junior lecturer on chemistry on social media. Uh, Please do like my videos, comment positively, and also follow me. You can click on my bio and link the access to my YouTube and please subscribe. My last lecture was what is thermodynamics, and we describe and define thermodynamics with some explanations. But right away, we shall discuss the laws of thermodynamics. There are some laws of thermodynamics we are going to discuss. And because of time constraint, I may not exhaust all of them in this video, but we might discuss just about two of them. Maybe we can call it laws of thermodynamics part 1 for now. Now, the first one is zeroth law on the board here. Zeroth law is one of the thermodynamic laws we'll discuss now. The law states that if two systems are in thermal equilibrium with a third system, they all are in thermal equilibrium or thermal equilibrium with each other. I take it again. The general law states that if two systems are in thermal equilibrium with a third system, they are all in thermal equilibrium with each other. Let me explain briefly. Now, we all know that thermal, the meaning is heat. The meaning of thermal is heat. And heat is a form of energy. So the law is saying that if the heat content or the heat contents of two known systems that are in equilibrium with a third one, if that is the case, it means that the three systems altogether are in thermal equilibrium. That's what it's saying. For example, now two persons have something together, and these two persons have the same thing with another person, the third person. It means that three of them have an idea of what is transpiring. So that is about zeroth law. The law states that if two systems are in thermal equilibrium with a third system, then they all are also in what? Thermal equilibrium with each other. The second one is now the first law of thermodynamics. The law states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, but can only be converted from one form to another. See, the law states that energy cannot be created, cannot be destroyed, but can only be converted from one form to another. So there are various sources of energy, but our main interest in this chapter is the energy that is associated with chemical reactions. Chemical reactions are processes that transform one form of matter into another form. Such transformation processes are usually accompanied by chemical energy. Chemical thermodynamics is the study of these energy transformations and the transfers that accompany chemical and physical changes. Chemical thermodynamics deals with rules that govern or control the interconversions of energy. There are two natural laws, and these laws are fundamental in thermodynamics. The first law says that it is the law of the tendency to attain a state of minimum energy. The second natural law says that it is the law of the tendency to attain a state of what? Maximum disorder. Now, when we say natural, in quotes, and you're talking about systems. So the first law is saying that natural law is saying that systems tend to attain a state of minimum energy, at least. And again, the law is saying that systems tend to also attain this state of what? Maximum disorder. These are two natural laws that back up the first law of thermodynamics. So please like it, as I said before. follow me and subscribe to my YouTube. Thank you.